My experience with ESSEC was great. I learned a lot. I felt at home. I still feel at home as an alumni. And on top of this, what makes the things very interesting and different is the entrepreneurial approach. I'm Adriano Battistoni. I'm Italian, and I studied here for an Executive MBA Weekend. The Executive MBA fosters your entrepreneurial mindset. That means that at each stage of the formation, there are classes dedicated to how to look at problems in an entrepreneurial way, how to be proactive to business, and definitely also how to create a company. The final thesis of Executive MBA is an entrepreneurial project where you have to build a model of a startup. And you can eventually also build a proper startup with the support of ESSEC Ventures, that is an incubator with the school. With our EP, with our group of 5 people, we created a little startup that produce media content through AI for social media. And we went through all the phases of a creation of company, from ideation to interviews, up to creating a proper tool that it's available online. But the way you do it, like lean startup and iteration, these are tools that you can apply everywhere.